All right, welcome. Today, we are cracking the code on the tiny, but seriously mighty power-ups that run your body. Forget the big stuff for a minute. We're going undercover to meet the real agents of influence working deep inside your system.
You know that feeling, right? Revision's a total blur, you can barely keep your eyes open, and your brain just feels like, well, mush. You probably just blame it on late nights, but what if something else is going on behind the scenes?
That's right. That feeling of being completely drained could be a massive clue that your body's elite team of secret agents, the ones in charge of your energy, your focus, and your defenses, have basically gone AWOL. Okay, let's dive into this and properly meet the team running the whole show inside you. Their official name is Micronutrients, and honestly, they are the unsung heroes of your health.
So, here's the crucial point. We're not talking about your big hitter carbs or proteins. Micronutrients are the essential vitamins and minerals you get from food, and they act like your body's specialist support crew. You only need them in tiny amounts, but trust me, without them, the whole system just grinds to a halt.
Now let's check out the first part of your elite team, the vitamins. And they're not all the same, not at all. They're actually split into two very different crews with totally different ways of operating.
And this just lays it all out perfectly. On one side, you've got the planters. These are your fat-soluble agents A, D, E, and K. Think of them as your long-term operatives, stored away in your body for when you need them. But on the other side, you've got the responders, the water-soluble agents like vitamin C and the B team. They're your daily specialists. They can't be stored, so you have to call them in for duty every single day.
So, first up from the planners, we've got Agent A, also known as the Night Vision Specialist. Its mission is absolutely critical, keeping your eyesight sharp, especially in low light, and making sure your immune system is ready for anything. And if you fail to recruit Agent A, you could literally struggle to see in the dark. No joke.
And representing the responders, meet Agent C, the bodyguard. This agent is your first line of defense. It helps your body repair itself from cuts and scrapes, it boosts your immune system, and it even helps other agents get absorbed properly. And without the bodyguard, well, you're looking at some seriously old-school problems like scurvy. Think pirates with swollen gums. Not a good look.
Let's move on and see how this all connects with the next unit, the minerals. Okay, so if vitamins are your specialist agents out in the field, then minerals are the architects and the electricians for your entire system. They build the structures and they provide the power.
Leading the builders is calcium, aka the architect. Its entire job description is to construct a rock-solid skeleton and strong teeth that can handle everything you throw at them, from playing sports to just lugging your heavy school bag around.
So what's your daily mission target? 1,000 milligrams. And get this, because your bones are growing so incredibly fast right now, you actually need more calcium than a fully grown adult. You've got to give the architect enough building materials to work with.
Next up, the essential courier of the squad, iron. This agent is responsible for picking up oxygen from your lungs and delivering it to every single cell in your body. And that oxygen delivery, it is the absolute key to your energy levels. No iron, no oxygen, no energy. It's as simple as that.
Right. This bit of intel is crucial. Not all iron is created equal. Your body finds it super easy to absorb heme iron from meat, but non-heme iron, which you get from plants, is a little bit trickier for your body to use. This is so important to know if you're vegetarian or vegan because you have to be smart and use that pro tip. Team up your plant-based iron with its sidekick, vitamin C, to make sure you absorb enough. They're the ultimate power couple.
Okay, so you've recruited your agents, right? But they're pretty useless if they can't get to their mission location, or if they get taken out along the way. They need a transport system and some proper field protection to do their jobs effectively.
Water is the ultimate support vehicle. It's the road network, the delivery van, and the waste disposal service for your entire operation. It moves your agents around, it cools your system down when you overheat, and it gets rid of all the mission's waste products. It is absolutely non-negotiable.
So what are your daily orders? It's simple, 6 to 8 classes. Hit that target, and you'll make sure your agents can get where they need to go, keeping the whole system ticking over smoothly.
And finally, you've got to protect your agents during food prep. Think of this as a bit of kitchen spycraft. First up, don't boil your veg into oblivion. Steaming uses less water, so your water-soluble responders don't try to escape. Second, keep the skins on things like potatoes and carrots. Loads of the good stuff is right there. And finally, serve things up fresh. Leaving cut veg exposed to the air is like leaving your agents out in the open to get captured.
Right then, let's wrap this all up with your final mission briefing. It's time to take all this intel and actually put it into action.
Okay,
Quick recap of the intelligence. Your body needs its team of micronutrient agents. You've got your fat-soluble planners and your water-soluble responders. You need builders like calcium and couriers like iron. And you must never forget their essential support, water and smart cooking. Got it? Good.
And now, it's over to you. The next time you're looking at your plate, don't just see food, see a recruitment opportunity. Are you hiring a bodyguard today? An architect? An oxygen courier? Think about what your body actually needs to ace its next challenge, whether that's a big exam, a football match, or just getting through the day.
Remember this every single time you eat. Your next meal is your next mission. Good luck, Agent.